To start a Binance P2P business, you need to understand what P2P trading is and how it works on the Binance platform. P2P stands for peer-to-peer, which means you are trading cryptocurrencies directly with other users. First, create a Binance account if you do not already have one, and complete the verification process to ensure you can use all the features. Next, go to the Binance website and click on the P2P Trading tab. Here you will see a list of available cryptocurrencies and fiat currencies you can trade. To become a merchant on Binance P2P, you need to apply through the Binance Merchant Program. This program allows you to post advertisements to buy or sell cryptocurrencies, and it provides additional features such as payment methods and risk management tools. When creating an advertisement, you need to specify the cryptocurrency and fiat currency you want to trade, the price, and the payment method. You also need to set a payment window, which is the time the buyer has to make the payment. As a merchant, it is essential to have a clear and concise advertisement that attracts buyers. You should also have a good reputation on the platform, which you can achieve by completing trades successfully and providing good customer service. To manage risk, Binance P2P has an escrow service that holds the cryptocurrency until the payment is confirmed. This ensures that the buyer receives the cryptocurrency and the seller receives the payment. To be successful in Binance P2P trading, you need to stay up to date with market trends and adjust your prices accordingly. You should also be responsive to buyers and provide good customer service to build a good reputation. In conclusion, starting a Binance P2P business requires creating a Binance account, applying to the merchant program, creating advertisements, managing risk, and providing good customer service. By following these steps and staying up to date with market trends, you can be successful in Binance P2P trading.